The Acer NitroSense software allows you to monitor your CPU and GPU usage, as well as customize settings for optimal performance. NitroSense is specifically created for Nitro systems. If your Nitro device did not come with NitroSense downloaded, here is how to install NitroSense on your device. Head over to acer.com and select Support in the navigation bar. On the support page, enter your serial or model number in the search bar. From the list of options presented under the model name of your device, select Applications. You should now see an option to download NitroSense. Select Download to automatically begin downloading the application. Once the download is complete, unzip the file to your preferred location. Select the setup.exe file to open the setup wizard. Select Allow when asked if the application can make changes to your device. Follow the prompts in the setup wizard to install NitroSense on your device. When the install is complete, open NitroSense. You should now be able to view the CPU and GPU temperatures, along with customizing fan speed, keyboard backlight behaviors, and more.